Hello everyone, this is the final vlog for our trip in CES Las Vegas. Though it is the final day of CES, we left a bit earlier, also for some meetings, but also to enjoy a last trip. Tomorrow morning we are flying back to the Netherlands, but I just wanted to show you this amazing view. Have a look. Yes, the Horizon team. Though our hobby and passion is Horizon and making augmented reality, 3D augmented reality, affordable and accessible for anyone, this passion is also combined with beautiful views and a very nice trip just to end our nice journey here in the USA. Thank you all for watching so far, and well, we hope to speak to you via mail, phone, social media, no matter what. We are happy to answer all your questions if you have any. And for now, I say bye.